comments. Managing comments is also very important. Let me tell you guys, comments, likes, watch hours, when these are maximum, you would rank at the top. So comments, like, watch hour are also very important for ranking at the top. Now, managing comments. So now what do you mean by managing comments? Managing comments means the comments, a good comment, a positive comment should be given at the top. Should be at the top. Now why so? When anyone is going through the video, they will also check the comments. So they'll mostly check the top comments. So all the good comments should be given a priority to be at the top. Now how can you do that, guys? Don't worry, I'll teach you how can you pin your comments, okay? Ranking at the top, giving the top priority means pinning the comments. When you pin a comment, it would be shown at the top. Now, let us understand how to do that. Firstly, go to your YouTube channel. On the right hand side, you will see your icon. Click on that icon and click on Studio, YouTube Studio. When you click on YouTube Studio, on the left sidebar, you will see an option called Comments. Okay, you'll see an option called Comments. Go through that comments. Go through the videos and their comments. Now, go through all the comments and see which comment do you like. Which comment is giving a positive impact to your video. Understand, okay? Means whenever your audience is going to the video and they are seeing positive comments at the top, they feel that it is worth watching. I am spending my time on a worth video. So always pin your videos, okay? Now what can you do, guys, is the comments which you like. On the comments, at the right side of the comment, you will see 3 dots. Click on that 3 dots and you will find the option called Pin. You will find the option called Pin. I am repeating it again, guys. On the left sidebar of your YouTube Studio, you will find an option called Comments. Click on Comments, go through the videos and the positive comments which you like. See that on the right side of the comment, you will see 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots, you will find an option called Pin. Okay, click on Pin, then that would be that video. In that video, that comment would be at the top. So in this way, you can manage your comments. Now is it possible, guys, that every day you're going to go through all the comments and you're going to see which comment is the best one and then you're going to pin it? No, right? So what can you do is, in your comment section, okay, what can you do is go in Creator Studio. Again, go to your home page of your YouTube. On the right side, you will find your icon. Then click on Creator Studio. Click on Creator Studio and then click upon Comments. Okay, then come into Community. In Community, you will find the option of Comments. I'm again repeating it, guys. Creator Studio, Community, and then Comments. When you will come under Comments, then you'll find some option that is, most liked comments and all those options, latest comments, hidden comments, and all those options. What can you do, guys, is go to latest comments and you'll find all the latest comments. Now all the latest comments, you can just go through all the latest comments and the comments you like, you can just pin them up. And guys, when the videos are getting more comments, try to understand the fact that these videos are liked by people and try to make that kind of videos, try to make that kind of content, that kind of entertainment. So try to analyze through your comments also, through your likes also, through your shares. When anybody is sharing, people are liking that. So in this way, guys, you can manage your comments. Let me again revise it again, guys. Managing comments means pinning comments. Basically pinning the comments. When you pin a comment, it would be seen at the top. When people go through the comments and they see positive comments, they, interest would be created among them to watch the video till end. This will help us to, increase our watch hours, and watch hours is going to help us to rank at the top. Now, if you don't want to go through every day and just go through all the comments and pin them up. How to pin it? On the comment at the right side, you will see three dots. In three dots, click on that three dots and then you'll find the option of pin. When you pin it, it would be given the top priority. If you don't want to go and you would just want to go through all the latest comments, what can you do is, on the icon, click on the icon, then click on Creator Studio. On left side of Creator Studio page, you will find the option called Community. Click on Community. Under Community, you will find Comments section. Click on Comments and then go to the latest comments and then pin them up. Then see what kind of reviews people are giving you, what kind of comments people are giving you. In this way guys, you can just manage your comments. So it's now your chance guys to try it out.
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.